How to delete travelers on Expedia. Expedia does not allow you to delete travelers directly. However, you can manage your account to remove or edit saved information. Here's how you can handle it. Log into your Expedia account. Go to the Account or Profile section, often found under your name or avatar in the top right corner. Go to the traveler details and find the saved traveler information you want to update or remove. Edit the details or, if applicable, delete the profile. If the travelers are associated with saved payment methods, navigate to the Payment Methods section in your account. Remove the payment method linked to the traveler. If you are unable to delete a traveler, contact Expedia's customer support via their help center or use their live chat feature. Thanks for watching.